Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Friday, May 16, 2025. It's official. The Morren Bay Urban Centre in St. Thomas is now open for business, following a ribbon-cutting ceremony led by Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness on Thursday. The old Goodyear factory is now a modern, first-of-its-kind integrated complex, facilitating public and private sector services in a one-stop commercial hub. Prime Minister Holness says the $6 billion investment represents an end to decades of underdevelopment and infrastructural neglect for the parish.
Today, we emphatically declare that St. Thomas is firmly on the path for the fulfillment of its true vision of a prosperous, growing, fair, and equitable society. We are laying the foundation, my friends, for a new economy in this parish. And I want you to pay attention to that mission.
Chairman of Factories Corporation of Jamaica, Littleton Shirley, says the centre will serve as a blueprint for similar developments in other parishes.
Today we are not merely cutting a ribbon, we are carving a path in the future for the people of St. Thomas, for the nation of Jamaica, and for generations to come.
The grand opening was also a proud moment for clients who will operate businesses at the centre as they received symbolic keys to their units.
The establishment of this urban centre represents a transformative milestone for both our businesses and the broader community.
Work has begun on the Monroe Road to Seaview Avenue pipeline project in St. Andrew as the government continues to rid the country of decades-old water and sewer infrastructure. Cost of the project is over $1.2 billion and includes a sewerage network component costing $623 million and the replacement of pipelines at approximately $592 million. Residents of Old Hope Road, Retreat Avenue, Seymour Avenue, New Kingston, Seaview Avenue, Mona Road, Wellington Avenue and Monroe Road are all set to benefit. Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness and other key stakeholders broke ground for the project on Wednesday.
This project will replace old sewer mains, which some of them laid more than 60 years ago, with material that we are not using today anymore, calcified, broken, and you can't get reliable water pressure through them.
The Monroe to Seaview Avenue pipeline project represents a critical investment by the National Water Commission to modernize and strengthen potable water infrastructure in key urban areas. The Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, has received an infusion of high-tech equipment that will significantly boost the speed, coordination, and effectiveness of the organization's daily operations. The new tools comprise 600 mobile and portable data-capable radios, 1,000 handheld ticketing devices, and 1,500 mobile printers. These will directly enhance patrol divisions, traffic enforcement teams, and frontline officers in their daily public safety duties. At the handover ceremony on Wednesday, Minister of National Security Dr. Horace Chang says the investment is part of the government's broader thrust to modernize national security through technology. He also emphasized the importance of a reliable communication infrastructure to modern policing.
The communication, of course, which the radio is crucial to police operation. You cannot look forward to having an efficient police force that cannot talk to each other at any time across the island. In the modern world and the kind of criminals we deal with, that's just not that's a no-go.
Dr. Chang says the mobile and portable data-capable radios will be instrumental in enabling officers to transmit critical data, respond to incidents in real time, and enhance situational awareness for more effective operations. Meanwhile, Police Commissioner Dr. Kevin Blake hailed the investment as a strategic upgrade that will boost the JCF's operational readiness.
I trust that this investment of over $650 million continue to provide our citizens with the assurance of our commitment to improving public safety through modern policing technology infrastructure.
Still on national security, Commissioner of Police Dr. Kevin Blake is reporting a 40% drop in murders since the start of the year. He also indicates that all major crimes are down by 21%, including shootings at 32%. Dr. Blake credited the results to internal changes within the JCF, including improved coordination, stronger leadership, and consistent on-the-ground presence in high-risk areas.
This is an achievement that is brought about by deliberate strategy, a highly motivated and mobilized staff, and significant improvement in how we work each day. I also want to express my deepest gratitude to the people of Jamaica, who has shown unprecedented support to the men and women on the front line and in support formations, working tirelessly each day to keep you safe.
The Rural Agricultural Development Authority, RADA, has officially rolled out its RADA Connect initiative in the parish of St. Elizabeth. The outreach program aims to bring vital agricultural services directly into farming communities to boost productivity and strengthen food security. Through the initiative, farmers will receive on-the-spot technical support from RADA officers, while service providers will offer discounts and expert advice on tools and products. Agriculture Minister Floyd Green says the initiative is part of the government's wider push to better support and equip all farmers in the parish.
RADA Connect is really about bringing essential agricultural services directly into our farming communities. It's about bringing all our technical support teams so that you will have a one-stop shop on this day where you can come out, you can get on-the-spot technical advisory support, we can help you navigate.
Farmers are being encouraged to download the RADA mobile app, which will serve as a digital hub for accessing extension services and agricultural updates. The launch was held under the theme, Bringing Agricultural Support Closer to You, and will expand to other parishes in the coming months. And finally, Minister of Health and Wellness Dr. Christopher Tufton is reaffirming the government's commitment to the retention of nurses within the healthcare sector. Dr. Tufton was acknowledging nurses earlier this week for their critical support and for being a stabilizing force within the sector. Recognizing the global demand for Jamaican nurses and the ongoing migration of talents, Minister Tufton says the compensation review and training are among other measures being pursued to retain workers.
From a government standpoint, we have no interest in preventing in any way except to incentivize retention people from going where they think their best prospects are. Therefore, the future is going to require a combination of approaches and maybe policy shifts to accommodate you in your ambitions. Firstly, hoping that you will have the ambition to stay, because we're making it good for you to stay.
Minister Tufton revealed that over 5,538 nurses have applied for verification requests to work overseas in the past 6 years, many in specialist fields where gaps now exist. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.